Story 3. I saw a religious man who had fallen in love with a fellow to such a degree that he had neither strength to remain patient nor to bear the talk of the people, but would not relinquish his attachment, despite of the reproaches he suffered and the grief he bore, saying, I shall not let go my hold of thy skirt, even if thou strike me with a sharp sword. After thee I have no refuge nor asylum. To thee alone I shall flee if I flee. I once reproached him, asking him what had become of his exquisite intellect, so that it had been overcome by his base proclivity. He meditated a while and then said, wherever love has become sultan, piety's arm has no strength left. How can a helpless fellow live purely who is sunk up to his neck in impurity? Now, love is not the issue, unless you're talking about who do you love more. If you love God more than everything else combined, well, then everything else, it protects you from being a sociopath or a psychopath in any aspect. But as far as a person deviates, they can love what's not good for them. They can express their love in a way that's not good for them, is a more understandable way for most people, I think.